I am inspired by your message of hope. I believe that as a community and a city and a nation, we're only as good as our most vulnerable population and that we aren't doing enough. As an educator, one of the biggest complaints I hear is that policymakers aren't involving the people with the inside information, the teachers and the students. I'm inspired by GCI's approach to going deep into an issue with those that are most affected and to problem solve together. We're all better together, and GCI is demonstrating a deep understanding of that. I used to think that being an idealist made me naive, but I've come to value it as the driving force that gives me hope. I think my love of people and communication is what has always made me a great connector. As Director of Community Leadership, I think I can leverage these qualities to reach my full potential in helping others reach their full potential and have a positive impact with the work that GCI does.